Hola, happy birthday, girl.
Happy birthday, Inas.
Happy birthday, you.
What else you wanna say?
Hola. Kumusta, boss?
What else? Is she?
A pretty girl.
She's a pretty girl.
Yes, marry me, madam.
Marry me, marry you.
Yeah.
What else you gonna say?
You good looking, lady.
You good looking lady.
That's all.
You gonna sing a song?
No.
Happy
birthday to you.
You gonna sing a song, Kami? Happy birthday
To you.
Inas.
Happy birthday, Inas. Happy freaking birthday to you.
You wanna say happy birthday, Dane?
No.
Okay, just stop.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, dear princess.
Happy birthday
To you, princess.
Happy birthday.
To you, princess.
Kiss? That's not kiss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tom. Say thank you. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Thank you sa friendship Inas channel at thank you. We went to see her. Yeah. And she's not that tall, Tom.
Short.
She's short. She's not that tall, but she's a nice person. So Inas channel, happy birthday from CD8 and who's this?
Roland.
Roland, you're Tom.
Roland.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday ulit, and hope you have more blessings to come at all your wishes may come true. Bye-bye. Say bye, Tom.
Bye-bye.
Kiss.
Happy birthday, Sis Enas from Miss Apayao Vlog. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman, sa aking ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Salamat at nakilala kita. Happy birthday. Hello everyone, this is Miss Apayao Vlogs. Ayan, isa na naman ang aking babatiin sa kanyang birthday. Isa sa aming team, sa Team Lovebirds, walang iba kundi si Enas Channel. Happy birthday! Wishing you a day, a filled of love, kindness, and cake that you deserve. And may your heart be as full of joy and happiness. And happy birthday! God bless you always and your family. And hoping that we can meet soon too as well, and thank you for being as a friend, and God bless you always. Happy birthday.